Sa bawat tahimik na araw, may mga lihim na ayaw marinig. Hindi lahat ng ngiti ay totoo. Minsan, nasa tabi mo lang ang takot. Akala mo, kilala mo sila. Pero paano kung ang taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, siya pala ang may hawak ng kutsilyo? Isang sigaw, isang katawan, at isang kwentong hindi mabubura. Ito ang simula ng katotohanan.
Ay, Bea, di ba may isang tayo bukas sa criminal law?
Oo nga, no?
What if mag-review tayo together?
Together? Think about it.
Uy, Bea, dito ka na pala. Pasok ka. Ano yan?
This is our trophy, remember? We won, remember? 2 years ago.
Bea, thanks for coming na. Alam kong girl ka lately. Hindi this time, gumawa mo ng top spot.
Top spot? Hindi ko na siguro makuha yun. You always win. I'm just your shadow.
Don't say that. You're smart too, Bea. Hindi mo kailangan makipagkompetensya sa akin.
It's easy for you to say. You always win. You'll see what it feels like to lose.
This is Investigator Jenny Dagaren from Special Crime Division. We're conducting an interview regarding the murder of Jessa Malaka. Rosh, I know hirap mo ah.
Yes, ma'am. She's kind. She helps everyone.
According to reports, mukhang huli nakita na Jessa habang siya tinatay. Kaya nasa source. Ano nakita mo ang gabi niyo?
Pauwi na ako noon, ma'am. Nakita ko kasi Bea kung sa bahay ni Jessa. Ma'am, agad siya baby.
So the same filming na ginamit ang bumpoga Jessa.
No, I was so scared. He ran away. Narinig ko silang nag-aaway. Jessa was saying, "You don't have to be like me!" Then may malakas na kalabog.
Rosh, nakakagulo pa ka. Nang gabi yun, si Bea lang may hawak ng body.
Yes, ma'am, I swear.
Salamat, Rosh. This interview will help the case.
Ma'am, alam kong nagsisinungaling siya. There's worth of faith.
Prepare the interrogation room. We will hear Bea's side.
Bea, gusto lang namin narinig ang totoo. Hindi naman namin sinasabing ikaw ang pumatay. Pero kailangan mo magsalita.
She invited me, okay? She wanted a review. But she kept acting like she's always better than me. So you tell her to admit, ganun ba? No! Sinungaling mo na.
Ganun ba? Then, sino may iwan?
Si Rosh! She followed me! Sinabi mo niya sa akin noon. One day, she'll stop making you feel small.
You have to be like me. What are you doing here? You took everything from us. Attention, admiration, even Bea's respect. Raj! You're scaring me! You made us all feel like we're never enough. I will end everyone's misery. Farewell, Jessa.
We have CCTV footage, Rosh. You were there 5 minutes before Bea left.
I didn't need to kill her. I just wanted her to make people stop feeling inferior.
Puro na lang si Jessa, mapa-exams, extracurriculars. Did you know that she's even the teacher's favorite?
If you were in my shoes, how would you feel?
Sa bawat kompetisyon, may nananalo at may natatalo. Pero kapag inggit na ang naging sandata, walang panalo, puro pagkatalo. Jessa's kindness became her weakness, and Bea's envy, Rosh's obsession, nagwakas ng trahedya. In the end, no one remained on top.